Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is Eachine's new E200 EXP UH-60 Blackhawk RC helicopter. This has a huge amount of scale detail. There's a little bit of assembly out of the box, but not a lot. You have to attach the rocket launchers and missiles, the refueling probe at the front, and the flashlight attaches and plugs into the flight battery. But otherwise, ready to fly. All you have to do is put 4 AA's in the radio transmitter and charge up the flight battery with the included USB lead. Spares in the box as well. You get spare main blades and tail blades, but otherwise it's ready to go. Let's watch some flight action of it in the air. I hope you enjoyed that flight action. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment, along with a voucher code that will give you a significant discount. But thanks for watching this one. Hope you'll be back again soon. Bye.